Set 2, question number 1B, non-textual grammar, 4 marks. Question 1B1, do as directed, transformation of sentences. Choose the correct alternative to transform the sentence into a simple sentence. I know that he has stolen the necklace. I know him to have stolen the necklace is the correct option, because see here, I know he stole two verbs. This is not a simple sentence. I know him to be the thief. The thief word is not given here. I know him as is a subordinator. Second sentence, the sword that is made of pure steel is brought from India. The pure steel sword is brought from India is the correct option. The steel sword is pure and is conjunction. This is compound sentence. The sword from India is pure steel. No, the steel sword is the pure steel sword is brought from India is the correct answer. The pure sword from India is steel. No, not the correct answer. Okay, third one. They took shelter under a building because they were tired by walking. They took shelter under a building because this is complex sentence. So tired by walking, they took shelter under a building is the correct option, because the first one again is a complex sentence. Taking shelter under a building, they were tired and compound sentence. So this is the correct answer. Fourth one, not only did his teachers give him enough practice, but his parents too. Besides his teachers giving him enough practice, his parents did the same is the correct option. Rest three are not the correct option. He was a mere student, but he offered to solve the problem. In spite of being a mere student, he offered to solve the problem is the correct option. He was a mere student who, complex sentence, in spite of being a mere student, he offers. See here, the tense is past tense and this is in present tense. We cannot change the tense of the sentence. This is the correct answer. In spite of being a mere student, he offered to solve the problem. He must not be absent or he will be declared fail, or this is compound sentence. In the event of being absent, he will be declared fail is the correct answer. He will be declared fail when this is complex sentence. In the event of being absent, no, this is not the situation. In the event of being declared fail, this is also not the situation. Second one, transform. Choose the correct alternative to transform the sentences into compound sentence. Compound sentences, you remember all the coordinators, fanboys, we always say. Fanboys is for, and, neither nor, either or, but, O is or, Y is yet, S is so. Okay? Satish must work hard to rescue his brother. Satish must work hard so as to rescue his brother. The witness said that Mohan was guilty. Mohan was guilty. Told the witness is the correct answer. I'll explain you. See here. Mohan was guilty. One sentence, told the witness, another sentence. The witness told that Mohan was guilty becomes complex sentence. Witness confirmed Mohan's guilt. No, this is simple sentence. And witness found Mohan guilty. This is not the situation. The citizens who have paid the taxes are always respected. The citizens pay the taxes and are always respected. The interviewer was annoyed that he had not answered his queries. The queries were not answered and the interviewer was annoyed. I was surprised when I heard him reveal the secret. I heard him reveal the secret and I was surprised. I was surprised to hear him reveal the secret is the correct answer, because revealing the secret, no, not the correct answer. Surprised to hear his reveal, no. I was surprised to hear his reveal, no. First one is the correct answer. Now, Choose a correct alternative to transform the sentence into complex sentence. Complex sentences, we use subordinators to make a sentence complex. Okay, search his room and you will find the clue. This is search his room, compound sentence. If you search his room, you will find the clue is the correct answer. The language was not misplaced. Sorry. The luggage was not misplaced, but it was kept deliberately. The luggage was not misplaced most of the time, but is replaced by although. But is used in compound sentence, though and although is used in complex sentence. So but is used replaced by although. The luggage was not misplaced, although it was kept deliberately. Next one is choose the correct alternative to frame a WH type question to get the underlined answer. This part should not appear in your question. Her gold chain should not appear in your question. Some thugs tried to snatch her gold chain. What did some thugs try to snatch? What did some thugs try to snatch? Arunima was retrained as a mountaineer. As the should appear in your question. Okay, what was Arunima retrained as? Okay, an exceptional battle had begun inside the train on the move. Where had an exceptional battle begun on the move? Where had an exceptional battle begun on the move? And see here, this is begin. ठीक है, तो had के साथ we use begun past participle and we use the simple present tense with did. This is had, so we are using begun. With the help of the technology, I started responding the treatment. With the help of technology should not appear in your question. So how did I start responding to the treatment? With the help of technology. Ishita invites my family members on my birthday for celebration. When does, because this is present tense, invites es. So when does Ishita invite my family members for celebration is a correct option. Now make it exclamatory. Exclamatory, we begin the sentences with either how or what. If we have article in the sentence, we begin it with what. If we do not have article, we begin it with how. You performed the very energetically in you performed very energetically in front of the visitors. How energetically in front of the visitors you performed is the correct answer. Because this is you performed past tense. So answer should be in past tense. You perform is present tense. So we cannot use this. You have narrated a romantic book. What a romantic book you have narrated is the correct answer. Sunita is named. Choose a correct alternative to make the given sentence negative. Sunita is the most loyal employee of our firm. No other employee of our firm is as loyal as Sunita. As soon as he entered the room, he noticed the unusual presence. No sooner did he enter. Did we use simple present tense? I said now. No sooner did he enter the room than he noticed the unusual presence is the correct answer. Spot the error and rewrite the correct sentences. I've just written these words so that you know where you have to make the correction. But in exam, you will have to write the complete sentence. Write complete sentence. Okay? Underline the mistake and then write correct sentence. First one is the number of people do not matter. The number of people does not matter. I'm liking to see movies at the theater. I like to see movies because this is my habitual action. This is my habitual action, so I like to see. I never forget the given responsibility. I never forget, not forgets. He has often asked me to think before I speak. He has often, ASKED, asked me to think before I speak. No sooner did I challenge the man than he accepted it. I challenge because did we use simple present tense and not the past tense. We are the more strongest. With strongest, we do not use this word more. Stronger, strongest. The more word is not required. We are the strongest community in the world. I entered the room for search of documents. I entered the room to search the documents. We can plant the trees in order, saving the earth in order to save the earth. I usually ask my employees to be punctual in their task. I usually ask, not S. The training came to an end before you left the city. The training had come to an end because when there are two events of past, the first event is always written in past perfect tense. This is sequence of tense, past perfect and then simple past. If you challenge me, I had accepted, I will accept it. The manager was looking into the missing file. The manager was looking for the missing file. Preposition, correction of preposition here and here, 7 and 12. She is more taller, no, more word is not needed again. She is taller than all her brothers in the family. He said he did not want, did, we never use ed word, past tense with the word d, because did may we've used past tense. So he did not, he said he did not want to go to bazaar yesterday. Mango is the best. The bestest? No, wrong. Mango is the best among all Indian fruits. Work hard, guys, and all the best. Do well in your exams. I'll be coming back soon with my new video. Goodbye. Have a nice time.